amigos, I'm gonna drill these deals and deals. And yeah, these and that, and we are gonna see. I'm gonna remove just this one, not this one, because this is intact and it holds the subframe. I'm from Russia. Got all the welding spots drilled out, everything till here. Now I have to do this small section, which is gonna be this small section, which is gonna be more hard. But let's hope it has now we make it done. So I can't take it by hand, I can't use the manpower, I'm gonna use the tool power to take it off. I just tied it here. Hope it doesn't take off my whole shop. Of course, not everything is magic. Finally, the damage. Not too bad, not too good. Everything, welding spots nice. Wheelhouse, here I'm just gonna make it straight. This bracket, maybe I can save it, I will see. Here just weld spot again. Everything else here is perfect condition. Hello my friends, so I just got the brand new parts here at the shop. I just got these. The metal that I need to replace, the extension, the rail extension. I got this is almost brand new shock absorber with everything, the flange and the spring, because I didn't want to get really new one. This has only 20,000 miles on it. I got the new fender, brand new from the dealer. I hope it's not bent. I know it has a scratch already here, and I got the fender liner, so I'm just gonna go and see how I will make it fit here and maybe do some welds today. Just a short work day. Yeah, I just want to clean up and see how it's gonna fit. At the dealer they sent me the extension with this piece, but I'm just gonna remove it from the part. I'm just gonna remove it from here, this one, because that one wasn't touched at all, so I could just, I'm gonna drill it here and here and see, and if, but I will not have to take it apart so to install it again, so I'm just gonna remove it for now and see how it's gonna fit on the car. And yeah, let's try to finish this project because I was busy. This one is supposed to be bigger because with the smaller bit in diameter it's gonna go like fast and easy. Now I'm just gonna see how well it's gonna fit here in the place. After that, just clean it. After that, just clean it and well. After the piece is in, I just wanna make some marks to clean up the welds where it's gonna be welded. This is gonna go from underneath. Yes. I just wanna mark with the marker. Here I have to drill some holes. Here inside, 2-3 holes. 2 holes. Yeah. That should be it. Now I did grind everything everywhere is gonna be welded, so now should be good. I only took it 3 times off. So I did fit everything and cleaned up, but I still got some loose metal. But as far as I'm gonna progress, I'm just gonna weld it together. So with the heat, everything is gonna be perfect in place. So I'm gonna start on this corner, on this lower side. I got a few welding spots and just come all the way up. And this here I'm gonna strengthen it. When it's gonna be hot, I'm just gonna hammer it down and it's gonna be good. Yeah, it looks very good. So now I'm ready to weld. Let the magic begin. I almost think I'm good at welding. I'm starting to believe that. Go, amigos. Very pleased. Very pleased. Didn't take this because I think they last longer than the paint. When you want to take them off, you really can't. So just let it be. Let it be. So I got this brother right here. These are all my parts. So I got this brother right here. Very good brother. He doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke. Only likes to drink good stuff like no alcohol, but he's got a vice. What kind of vice you got, little brother? Look, what a vice. He's obsessed with guns. But look what guns. Look, what is this, boys? What is this? Look. What a real obsession.
7 PRC.
Man, to find.
Quero 6 pounds.
6 pounds. Long range rifle. Real deal, boys. Real deal, boys. This is the real deal, boys. This boy doesn't play around.
I am a soldier and I'm not playing around.
Little weasel. So I did finish almost everything welding. Here, the welding spot. I did this. It looks very nice. Some extra welded there. I'm just waiting for these brackets to arrive. They have to ship it in the mail. This one, the lower one, and that's it for tonight. It's late. God bless you people.